On this day, December 9, we celebrate Global Smallpox Eradication Day. On December 9, 1979, a World Commission certified that smallpox had been eradicated, and this certification was officially accepted by the 33rd World Health Assembly in 1980. The declaration marked the end of a disease that had ravaged humanity for at least 3,000 years and in the 20th century alone had killed 300 million people. It was brought to an end to a 10-year global effort led by the World Health Organization, involving thousands of health professionals around the world, to administer 500 million vaccines to end smallpox. At a virtual event hosted at WHO headquarters involving key players in this eradication effort, WHO Director General Dr. Tedros Adhanom said, "As the world grasps the COVID-19 pandemic, humanity's victory over smallpox reminds us what can be achieved when nations come together to combat a common threat to health." The world got rid of smallpox thanks to an incredible demonstration of global solidarity and because it had a safe and effective vaccine. Solidarity plus science equals solution. Dr. Tedros highlighted that the eradication of smallpox also gives hope in the elimination of other infectious diseases, including polio, which is currently endemic in only 2 countries, dracuncosis, from which 187 countries, territories, and areas have been certified to be exempt to date, malaria, which has already been certified in 38 countries and territories thanks to efforts to combat it, and tuberculosis, the elimination of which is on track to achieve 57 low-incidence countries and territories. At the event, Dr. Tedros presented a postage stamp commemorating global solidarity that gave impetus to the initiative and in honor of the health professionals who worked to make it successful. The stamp, produced by the United Nations Postal Administration in collaboration with WHO, represents what can be achieved through the unity of nations and global solidarity. In the past, several countries such as Guinea, India, Nigeria, the Philippines, Togo, minted stamps to publicize the strengthened WHO Smallpox Eradication Program, launched in 1967, and to show their support. The first memories of smallpox from WHO Regional Director for Africa, Dr. Matshidiso Moeti, are from her father. "I was visiting WHO headquarters when I saw a picture of my father sitting with other experts at the World Commission. I remembered the outings he made to visit his patients. He often went out with a chauffeur and disappeared into the jungle for days. I was impressed by his resistance to work. The strategies that were used to eradicate smallpox are still applied today." This was a day in the history of Honduras.